Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage Moto Styles Hobby Shop. So what happened is we used to be right there, and then we got kicked out by Richard Paley of Paley Management Company because we refused to give him more money for rent. And now we are right here because we have nicer landlord over here. And then let me show you something really cool. So this is our new shop. When you get here, press this and then the door will open, and then this what is going on inside. This is when you get into a new shop, what you will see right away. And if you ever been in our shop, you know that there is a lot of different stuff over here. So of course we have the helmets, we have the boots, we have all the other jacket for Harley Davidson rider, and then more motorcycle gear and fuel jugs, and then all my paint jobs. And then for the RC customers, because our shop kind of caters for everything. Look at this. We have a full variety of everything for you guys. No matter what brand you want, beside of Traxxas. We're never gonna have Traxxas here, okay? But we have everything else right here. If you want rock rollers, we have rock rollers. We have the Red Cat. You have the Gen 7 Pro, regular Gen 7, and then you have the Gen 8 version 2. Then we have a couple more out of here. We have the Exiles. And then what is where there was another one hidden here somewhere right there. There's more rock rollers. We have beginners. We have the Team Lossy mini B's and mini T's all over the shop. Let's keep going here real quick. And then we have wall full of accessories for you guys, all the parts that you guys gonna do. We have over here for you guys the new Arma Vendetta. And of course there is more stuff here. And then we have parts. Everybody needs parts, so we have parts. We have wheels, we have the RC bodies, and then we have more cars. And of course we have here the mini B. We have a lot of them for you guys for the holiday. And by the way, today is Black Friday, so we have a special Black Friday through Cyber Monday. We have a lot of special discount. And then we have all our helmets and jackets. And over here, my favorite area, it's my golf area. All my golf racing cars. And we're still working on the rest of the shop over here, so it's still messy. And what else we can show you? My ceiling. So on my ceiling I still have all my airplanes. And then we have the big F4 Phantom right there. It's pretty big. It's about 6.5 foot long, just so you know. And of course we have aircraft for people that flies. We have batteries, tons of batteries for you guys. It's kind of hidden and it's hard to do with a GoPro. And we have kits of the Rift right now on special. So like, subscribe, and share to all your friends that we are not out of business. We just moved across the street. We used to be at 17540 Chatsworth Street. Now we are at 17555 Chatsworth Street, right across from our old location. It's a big win for us, and it's a big win for you, because we were fighting to have the shop open for you guys, and I'm working on it literally more than a month, 20 hours a day, to move all the stuff here by myself, from one shop to another, just to set it up a nicer shop for you guys. And the cool thing is that we kept the rent over here low, so we can keep all the items in a very good low price for you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. I will see you in my next video. I just wanted to show everybody our new shop, and we are just fine. And thank you for everybody's support. A lot of people call us to support us and text us that they hope that we're gonna stay in business, and we are just doing good. So thank you very much for the support. Bye.